So Ken, deal me in.
What are you talking about?
I thought you said we were doing the cards today.
Yeah, the Memorydex cards. Memorydex cards.
So are we playing poker? Blackjack? Ooh, rummy. I could teach you spades.
Memorydex cards.
Uno? Do you want to play Uno? Phase 10. It'll take forever, though.
It's going to be a long video.
Hi, and welcome to Chris by 2. I'm George.
And I'm Ken.
And today, we're bringing you Memorydex cards to go in your Memorydex box.
So we showed you how to make your own box before, and we just wanted to share some of the things we've been doing, plus give you the chance to make your own.
Right. So first, Ken is going to show you how to put together our Crafty Explorer Memorydex card, which is a double-sided card. Ken, why don't you show him?
Okay. Here we go. I've got everything laid out, and I have my glitter glue adhesive and my quick stick to help me pick up some of the smaller pieces as we go along. We've also did it as a print and cut, so you could always just print the image out yourself and adhere these together to make a single card, or do print and cut like we did if you don't want to paper piece everything together, so that's always an option. But this is a full paper pieced version of it, with the front with the background for the letters and the back, so this goes on the back of that central piece. Oops, and I had it flipped. And I've laid out some of the smaller pieces because I'm going to start with the lettering, then probably start working around the top of the hat to get things done.
So had a little trouble with that E, did ya?
Yeah, just kind of went on autopilot and wasn't paying attention.
Yep, so the bigger E goes in the front of the word Explorer.
Like this one.
That I did right. So everybody gets the SVG or Silhouette Studio file for Crafty Explorers.
So you can make it to kind of be the front of your collection or whatever you like with it.
So you'll have a blast making your own Crafty Explorer MDex card. And if you take a picture of it and post it in the Crafty Explorer Facebook group, you'll earn a second entry into our monthly contest.
Just make sure you use the hashtag. What's the hashtag this month? Explore MDex? Or MDex Explore?
I don't remember. You'll have to check our Facebook group.
And we'll put it in the description down below.
Because we'll check after we're done recording. So, everybody gets that one. What else does everybody get, Ken?
Well, the link will be in the description down below for this one.
And you'll get the SVG or Silhouette Studio file for a regular Memorydex card.
So this is a regular Rolodex Memorydex card size, and you can use this as the base for your own designs. So this is the base that George used when he was making this one.
And then I just layered images on top of it and welded it all together.
And this way, you know it'll fit in the box with all your little notches and the width of your box. So everything will be cool. But you can build up like George did here.
And if you're one of our patrons, you get extra stuff.
Here's a rounded card George made that just gave you kind of a little more of a base to work from.
Yeah.
And then a set of index cards.
Index cards? Tab cards.
Tab cards, so you can do your index things. I don't know.
So you can sort your MDex cards in your Memorydex box.
Or use them in your designs.
Yeah, you could.
Because you could do something like your little trip, and you could have a thing
like
for each trip.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of your trip.
Or I was thinking, like, if you took a trip on a train, you can make a little train across the top.
Oh, that would be so
and
cool.
then have memories for each day of your trip or something on it.
You could, if you were creative, make like little waves. And then it could be for your cruise.
Yeah, so you can do lots of different things. He's just giving you the start with the kind of rounded rectangles and then the curved tabs.
So you'll be able to take these into Design Space or Brother Scan and Cut Canvas or Silhouette Studio and weld stuff to them and make your own designs with them. And then you get what we're calling what we're calling MDex overlays. These are overlays for the regular Memorydex card. So you got this beautiful flower overlay, and then you have this snowflake overlay.
So you can use them as backgrounds or just weld things onto them.
Yep.
Use them as elements in your own designs.
You could put them in a Memorydex box, and I could say that this is my winter Memorydex box that I have winter pictures in.
In spring, which
In
is coming.
spring. Yeah.
So everybody will be able to get the link in the description down below for the Crafty Explorers card. And then for everybody in public, we're giving away the base Memorydex Rolodex card. Then for our supporters on Patreon, we're giving all the extras.
Here, you could hold those.
Okay. So the package on Patreon will include all the items, the overlays, the extra base card, and the
Divider tab
cards. Plus, it already includes the base card, so you don't have to download the base card that's public for everybody.
Yep. So we hope everybody had a blast making their Memorydex box. It was really easy.
And if you go over to our Crafty Explorers group, you can post a picture of the box you made and the Crafty Explorer card you made and get 2 entries into our drawing.
Yep.
We give away a $25 gift card of your choice, as long as we can get it online and send it to you.
Right.
Each month.
Also, in a couple weeks, we'll be announcing a Memorydex card swap for people in the Crafty Explorer group. We'll be exchanging Memorydex cards with each other. It'll be fun. Are we doing one, or am I doing one and you'll do one?
I guess we could each do one.
That would be fun.
Because then there's 2 cards. Grass by 2.
Oh, huh.
This okay for cards?
What okay for cards?
Instead of poker.
Yeah, I had fun making these. I'm going to make more. I've already kind of maybe started on my MDex card for the swap. I like calling them MDex cards.
What's the theme?
Maybe it will be the city or state that you're from. Maybe we can get everyone in all the states or other countries to participate. And then we'll have a card from somebody from each state. So look for a post in the Crafty Explorer Facebook group about the upcoming MDex card swap. I like MDex. Did I mention that?
Yeah, you mentioned it. So thanks for watching.
Until next time, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
We want to give a shout out to just some of our patron supporters. Lori Browse, Linda Collins, Gina, Mary Sarkis, Tabitha Carroll, Marjorie Poshia, and Arlene Birchold. Thank you for your support.